Loma Padra, or whatever you want to call it. My videos are always there for you guys if you guys want to see more. Badass shirt, huh? Finally, I came to show you guys. I've been dying to show you guys what's going on. It's beautiful. Look at that. Nice and solid rock, buddies. Yes, sir. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna go show you guys these signs right now. So it's awesome. There's a bear-proof trash can, a restroom, a little spot to bench and eat. So here you have the new trash can. You can see there's already some trash. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's here. I'm gonna come here to come have a good time, eat. I'm gonna come here to eat a nice lunch with my family. I'm gonna come here and take the trail that they opened up. Let's go for a walk around this way, man. We got handicap parking right here. You see, nice rock, beautiful landscape. The work's getting done here, man. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be awesome. Yes. Restroom's locked up still, but look at this. Well built. Beautiful place. But just for your own information, you got these guys, you got a coyote, lots of Redhawks, they're always everywhere. And of course we got Rio Mora national areas, things to know. There's an upper Rio Mora. All right, well, come here and enjoy this place, and just like I said, here's a bench to come and have a snack and in case it rains. But pretty well made, good stuff here. And the handicap parking, you can't beat it.